Computer Science for Visually Challenged. Fundamentals Unit 4. Computer Components. All types of computers follow the same basic logical structure and perform the following 5 basic operations for converting raw input data into information useful to their users. 1. Take input, the process of entering data and instructions into the computer system. 2. Store data. Saving data and instructions so that they are available for processing as and when required. 3. Processing data, performing arithmetic and logical operations on data in order to convert them into useful information. 4. Output information, the process of producing useful information or results for the user, such as a printed report or visual display. 5. Control the workflow, directs the manner and sequence in which all of the above operations are performed. Input unit. This unit contains devices with the help of which we enter data into the computer. This unit creates a link between the user and the computer. The input devices translate the information into a form understandable by the computer. Output unit. The output unit consists of devices with the help of which we get the information from the computer. This unit is a link between the computer and the users. Output devices translate the computer's output into a form understandable by the users. CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU is considered as the brain of the computer. CPU performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, intermediate results, and instructions, program. It controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Has following 3 components. Memory or storage unit. Control unit. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Memory or storage unit. This unit can store instructions, data, and intermediate results. This unit supplies information to other units of the computer when needed. It is also known as internal storage unit or the main memory or the primary storage or random access memory, RAM. Its size affects speed, power, and capability. Primary memory and secondary memory are 2 types of memories in the computer. Functions of the memory unit are: it stores all the data and the instructions required for processing. It stores intermediate results of processing. It stores the final results of processing before these results are released to an output device. All inputs and outputs are transmitted through the main memory. Control unit. This unit controls the operations of all parts of the computer but does not carry out any actual data processing operations. Functions of this unit are: it is responsible for controlling the transfer of data and instructions among other units of a computer. It manages and coordinates all the units of the computer. It obtains the instructions from the memory, interprets them, and directs the operation of the computer. It communicates with input, output devices for transfer of data or results from storage. It does not process or store data. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. This unit consists of 2 subsections, namely: arithmetic section, logic section. Arithmetic section. Function of arithmetic section is to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All complex operations are done by making repetitive use of the above operations. Logic section. Function of logic section is to perform logic operations such as comparing, selecting, matching, and merging of data. Peripheral device. A peripheral device is a device attached to a host computer in order to expand its capabilities. More specifically, the term is used to describe those computer devices that are optional in nature and are not required in principle. Examples of some commonly used peripheral devices are microphones, cameras, scanners, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, pen drive, modem, network card, etc. The following section covers some of the basic peripheral devices used for input and output. Computer input devices. Input devices are those peripheral devices that are used to supply input to the computer. An input device converts input, data and instructions, into suitable binary form that can be accepted by the computer. The data entered through the input devices can be text, graphical image, symbol, audio, video, etc. Depending on the form of the data, the various input devices are available: a keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic tablet, microphone, magnetic ink card reader, MICR, optical character reader, OCR, barcode reader, optical mark reader, OMR, etc. Keyboard. Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which helps to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Keyboards are of two sizes: 84 keys or 101 100 keys, but now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. The keys on the keyboard are as follows.